Today I am making homemade wild blueberry muffins. Hey y'all, this is South Alabama Cooking, where you will find good, down-home Southern recipes made easy. Okay, right here in this bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, and I have 1 1/2 cups of sugar. I have mixed that up together. Now in this smaller bowl, I am going to add 1/2 cup of milk, one-half cup of oil, two eggs, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to take a whisk and just whisk this together. You don't need an electric mixer to make this recipe, y'all. Now, Carla and I have been out picking wild blueberries today. They are just starting to get ripe out in our woods. And these wild blueberries, they make the best blueberry muffins, y'all. Okay, I'm going to make a well right in the middle of my dry ingredients here. I'm going to pour my wet ingredients in. I'll take my fork and just combine this together. All right, I've almost got it completely combined. Now, at this point in time, I'm going to add my blueberries. I have 1 cup of wild blueberries. Let me show these to you. There they are, right there. They are so delicious. Okay, let's add these in. Now I want to just kind of gently mix these in to the batter. I'm going to change over to my spatula now. I have 2 muffin pans, and I have sprayed them with cooking spray. All right, I'm going to spoon the muffin batter into my pan. Okay, I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. These need to bake about 25 minutes. All right, y'all, there they are. Okay, Carla's going to try the blueberry muffins.
Heavenly. It's a little toasty on the edges and nice tart blueberries in the middle. Y'all see those? Ooh. Y'all gotta try this recipe.